All right, so let's make a snare out of my voice, which you can make from anything. Like the hi-hat, it's just snare. It depends what kind of snare you want and what texture you want, but in Psytrance, mostly in Psytrance, is just basically noise, shape noised. It's just in a certain shape and a certain noise. And so let's do it with my voice. Easy peasy. This one was the best, probably. Okay, so you have to just think about how you process it, how dominant you want it in the mix. It already sounds pretty good, I feel. Let's just brighten it a bit, add some noise to it. Let's compress it. And now let's distort the hell out of it. Shape it. There's some excess sounds here that we don't need. Some reverb to it. If we look at it, it's basically, yeah. You have a snare. Obviously you can do a lot of different things to process it. Can frequency shift it. And there you have it, a snare.